Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Yusuf from that Kachana, Uganda, and I'm going to be showing you some of the functions in the Fielder model 2007 to 2008. So this is my first time in this Toyota Fielder, as in the first time to get in it. All power mirrors are auto, and you have this central lock. You have the mirror lock, and over here you also have a power mirrors. There are no heated mirrors, as in you use this. There are no heated mirrors. It's comfortable. Yeah, it's a bit comfortable, not than my Mac 2 over there. You know that. Over here you have this radio from the factory. I don't know what this is, but we'll get to know that. Down here you have your AC controls. There are no many things, there are no many functions as I thought, but we also have the normal lever. Over here we have lights. As you see how the dashboard lights up through the night, and we also have you don't have auto lights on this model, but on the other Mark II, which you can see over there, it's a 2000, but it has automatic lights, whereby you'll just turn on, like on this one, you just turn on step 1, 2, and then 3, and then you'll get auto lights. Yeah, when it comes at night, they will just turn on. And over here we have your wipers, the function for the wipers. So if I insert the key over here, as you can see, you can hear the warning lights. Let's do it again. Okay, let's start it up. Okay, as it warms up, you have a high, low, and off. So there is step 1. That's step 1, and you have step 2 and step 3. Oh, there you go. And you also have if you want to, as in, apply water on the mirrors, you just pull like this. Yeah, that's how you do it on the Toyota Fielder. And there is nothing else which I can tell you about this car. And you also have your normal handbrake. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share for more videos like this one. Yeah.